Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to load parameter backup into machine in Mitsubishi Controller. Press Maintenance button. Press IO soft key. Press Device select soft key. Select the device memory card or USB. Press Directory soft key. Press from list soft key. Select the parameter file from the lit. Then press Input. Again press Input. Press Area Change soft key. Press Directory soft key. Press Parameters soft key. Press Transfer A to B soft key. Press Input to confirm. Again press Input to overwrite. You can see that the parameter backup is loaded. Turn off and turn on the machine. Thank you for watching the video.